MCAT 2015 Cram Physical Foundations question. Flashcard 68. Scalar quantities. Which of the following is not considered a scalar quantity? Is it A, power? Now, power is the rate at which work is done. So, in technical terms, it's the amount of energy consumed per unit time, okay? Or is it B, density? Density is the degree of compactness of a substance. Here we have a metal ball. It's probably really compact and dense. And in technical terms, it's the mass per unit volume, okay? So this means that the density of any solid, liquid, or gas can be found by dividing its mass, and usually in kilograms, by its volume, in liters or cubic centimeters. Or is it C, capacitance? Capacitance is the ability of a system to store electric charge. So here we see this system storing positive charges on one plate and negative on the other, okay? Or is it D, torque? Now, torque is basically a twisting force that tends to cause rotation, as you just saw here. All right, so I'll give you a moment to think and try your best in choosing the correct answer choice. All right. Okay, in identifying scalar quantities, we have to look for quantities that only have magnitude, okay? But a more surefire method is to find quantities that consist of scalars multiplied by scalars. These, of course, would not be the answers that we're looking for because we're looking for a quantity that's not considered a scalar, okay? So let's analyze the first answer choice. Answer choice A. Power is energy divided by time, which is a scalar divided by a scalar, or a scalar multiplied by 1 over another scalar, okay? Multiplication and division, they're kind of the same thing. It's just the second multiplier, you have to put it in the denominator and a 1 over it, okay? All right, so density. Density is mass divided by volume, which is also a scalar divided by a scalar, hence that's a scalar too. Answer choice C, capacitance is charge, electric charge, divided by voltage. In this case, voltage is not, directionally aware as some electric potential differences maybe. This is just the magnitude. So yeah, capacitance here is a scalar. So by default, we're left with answer choice D being our correct answer. Now, torque is directionally aware, okay? It can either be counterclockwise, rotating like so, or it can be clockwise, okay? And torque is basically the level arm multiplied by the force applied to it to give it that spin, okay? So the formula for torque is going to be tau times r, where r is the length of the level arm, F is force, and this is what gives torque its directionality, the force applied to the level arm as seen here, times the sine of theta. And theta would be this little angle right here, the angle between the line of action of the applied force and the level arm, okay? It can be perpendicular, it can be like 45 degrees, it can be anything, all right? And what constitutes the directionality of force, making it a vector also, would be acceleration, okay? So here the acceleration is downward in this direction. All right, so the correct answer choice is answer choice D, torque.